Here's what you need to mount the Holosun 507K or the 407K on the Springfield Hellcat Optics Ready slide. The optic cut on the slide features 4 recoil lugs, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and they match the 507K's footprint, but the holes on the 507K aren't deep enough to fully seat them. Since neither Springfield nor Holosun provides the mounting plate for the Hellcat, an aftermarket mounting plate from DPP titanium is needed, and no recoil lug removal is required. The link is in the description below. The DPP titanium plate's bottom holes lock in perfectly with the 4 recoil lugs on the slide cut to prevent the plate from shifting. The top 2 recoil lugs lock in with the 507K to prevent it from shifting on the plate. Use the supplied screws and torque each of them to 15 to 18 inch-pound. And we highly recommend using the real Avid Smart Torque to precisely set the torque value to prevent screw damage. Now go zero it at the range. If you like the content, please hit like and share.